When you buy your car from AutoCheck, you not only get a quality car, you get access to quality car maintenance. This is why we have partnered with AutoFast by CFAO, Nigeria's leading multi-brand quick service franchise, to provide quality vehicle service with original spare parts, access to top-notch vehicle maintenance, skilled mechanics, and modern equipment. During our routine service, we carry out 10-point control checks on your vehicle for free. These inspections cover core parts of your vehicle like wheels and tires, your battery and alternator, your brake pads, exterior lights, engine, fluid levels, and wiper blades. We recommend corrective maintenance to fix existing problems or preventive maintenance to help prevent unexpected failures in the future. Our processes are transparent and our core value is people first. Get a car from AutoCheck today and be sure that your car is in safe hands.